Welcome to MeshInspector's onboarding session dedicated to getting started with voxels. Today, we'll explore how MeshInspector empowers you to work with voxel data. Let's dive right in. First, let's dig into the concept of voxel data and how it's represented. Voxel data is essentially a three-dimensional grid of small cubes, called voxels, that collectively represent an object or space in three dimensions. Think of it as a 3D version of pixels in a 2D image. Voxel data finds applications in various fields, including medical imaging with CT, MRI scans, geological modeling, and more. Now, let's navigate to the Voxels tab. Here, you'll discover a set of tools tailored for working with voxel data, ranging from importing voxel files to advanced inspection, segmentation, and conversion to mesh. Before we explore the tools, let's review the process of opening voxel files. For DICOM files, simply choose the folder containing the files. For RAW and TIFF files, ensure to set the parameters accordingly for a seamless import process. Now that we've become familiar with the Voxels tab, let's explore what you can do with voxel data. With voxel data, you can perform a multitude of tasks. These tools not only allow you to inspect voxel data with precision and accuracy but also prepare it for further usage, such as converting it into a 3D mesh for integration into other projects or applications. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of voxel data and how MeshInspector empowers you to work with it efficiently. Experiment with these tools to unleash your creativity and tackle various projects with ease. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to explore our help section or reach out to our support team. Happy voxel exploring!